In the world of skincare, serums are considered the elite group. Not everyone can use them. Only after you've mastered your basic skincare, have a clear idea about your skin concerns, then only you can incorporate a serum into your skincare routine. Doesn't sound easy, does it? Indeed, choosing the right serum for your skin can be pretty complicated. But today, I'm going to make this task very easy for you. I'm going to explain what serums are, what they do, how to use them to get a proper, clear, glowy skin. Hello, this is Diba, and today our quest is to learn all about serums, how to choose how to use them properly to get the best results. First of all, what are these serums? What differentiates the serum from the other skincare products like essence, toners, or moisturizers is the consistency. Toners most likely are very light, watery-like texture. Essences are slightly thicker and leave a tackiness or grip onto the skin that is usually absent in toners. Serums, on the other hand, are heavier than both toners and essences. But serum is lighter than a moisturizer. So the consistency of a serum stands between a toner and a moisturizer. It's heavier than a toner but lighter than a moisturizer. Now, serums can be broadly divided into two categories. Number 1, non-active serums. Number 2, active serums. First of all, let's learn about non-active serums. These serums mainly serve the purpose of hydrating and plumping the skin. They contain a lot of hydrating, nourishing, soothing, and skin beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, panthenol, peptides, and other ingredients as their star ingredients. The main objective of these non-active serums are not to treat any skin concerns. For example, for the most part, they're not going to reduce your acne or improve the look of your hyperpigmentation or deal with bumpy textures like comedons, like whiteheads or blackheads. However, keeping your skin hydrated and moisturized itself can be very beneficial for your overall skin health. In that case, a good hydrating or moisturizing serum can actually go a long way if the reason behind your pimples was dehydration or damaged skin barrier. Sometimes these hydrating serums can make your skin healthier and even reduce the frequency of breakouts. But just remember, the primary purpose of these serums is to hydrate, moisturize, and plump up your skin. I'm going to share some of my favorite hydrating serums with you. Number 1, Hada Labo Gokujyun Premium Lotion, La Roche Posay Hyalu B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum, Anua Peach 17 Niacin Serum, and then we have the active serums. Now, the active serums are the most confusing ones because they just have so many categories. But I'm going to share one tip with you which will make it easier for you to navigate through these different kind of serums. And the tip is, each serum is made to target a specific skin concern. So once you are able to identify the specific skin concern for which the serum is made for, you'll be able to decide whether your skin needs it or not. Now, how do you know which serum is made for your skin concern? The first step is to observe and identify the issues and concerns you might have with your skin. Some of us may just have one single concern like acne, hyperpigmentation, or blackheads. But some of us might have multiple skin concerns. Some of us might have acne, blackheads, whiteheads, bumpy texture, and hyperpigmentations left from the acne. In that case, how do you choose the perfect serum for you? If you are someone who has a single skin concern, for example blackheads or a bumpy texture, then it would be pretty easy for you. But for those who have multiple skin concerns, the first step is to prioritize one single skin concern. Let me explain. For example, if you have both acne and hyperpigmentation, then the acne should get priority. Because if you don't treat your acne, there's no point in treating your hyperpigmentation, as new acne will keep appearing and new hyperpigmentation will keep resulting from it. So the first step is to prioritize your skin concern. Identify that single concern that you want to treat first. The second step is to choose the serum with ingredients that have the ability to treat your specific skin concern. Now, I'm going to give you a detailed list which will tell you which serum would be suitable for which skin concern. First of all, acne-prone skin. If you have acne-prone skin, salicylic acid is your best friend. For example, the ordinary salicylic acid serum, the ordinary peeling solution, Paula's Choice 2% BHA, and Anua BHA toner. 2% is the maximum concentration you should use, and it is pretty effective concentration. Of course, you can start with lower percentage so that your skin can get used to it. You can use it either at night or morning, but I advise using salicylic acid for acne at the night after cleansing your face. Don't skip your moisturizer. because BHA has oil controlling properties which might dry out your skin. Now, I want to point out that although we are discussing serums in this video, the texture of your product doesn't actually need to be thick like a serum to work. Bumpy texture. If you are someone who's suffering with bumpy texture, then these serums might be suitable for you. Serums containing salicylic acid or glycolic acid or lactic acid. Serums containing retinol or adapalene. Salicylic acid, lactic acid, and glycolic acid fall into the category of chemical exfoliators. Again, you can either choose a serum consistency or toner consistency, whichever suits your skin best. Some examples are the ordinary 5% lactic acid, the ordinary 7% glycolic acid toning solution, Cosrx BHA Blackhead Flower Liquid, the Revolution Skin Blemish Intense Salicylic Acid, and the Cosrx HA7 Whitehead Power Liquid. Retinol is not only great at smoothing out skin texture, but it's also great as anti-aging ingredient. My favorite is CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum, CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. And if you want to try out adapalene, my recommendation would be the different gel. If your skin concern is hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, then the best serum for you would be vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, azelaic acid, and retinol. Some of my favorite vitamin C serums are CeraVe Vitamin C Serum, the Revolution 12% Vitamin C Serum, the Paula's Choice Vitamin C Serum. My favorite alpha-arbutin serum is the Ordinary Alpha-Arbutin Serum, and my favorite azelaic acid serum is the Ordinary Azelaic Acid Suspension. Now, a general guideline for using these serums. You shouldn't use a serum more than once a day unless it's a non-active hydrating serum. You can use a serum either during the day or at night, but I advise to use the serum at night after cleansing your face. You don't need cotton pad to apply your serum. In fact, you'll just be wasting your precious product. Your hands are more than enough. How much serum you need to apply will be different from person to person, as everyone's facial size would be different. But except for retinol or adapalene, usually you need 2 to 3 pumps or 4 to 5 drops for each application. As for retinol serums, do not apply more than a pea-size amount. Just because you have multiple skin concerns, don't go overboard and start using 3 to 4 different serums in a single routine. It can do more harm than good. Never skip your sunscreen and moisturizer. UV damage can exacerbate and worsen a lot of skin issues like acne breakouts. UV exposure can exacerbate and worsen a lot of skin issues like acne breakouts, hyperpigmentation, melasma, etc. So if you're going out in the sun, whether you apply serum or not, do apply sunscreen. Also, water is very important for the health of our skin. A lot of active serums can make our skin even drier, so it's very important to apply your moisturizer after you've applied your active serum. So these are some of the general and most commonly used serums in skincare. I hope this video will make it easier for you to pick and choose a serum that is suitable for your skin type and concern. Let me know in the comment box below. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and share. It will really help my channel grow. And remember to love the skin you're in. This is Diba signing out today from Diba's Quest.